When it's freezing cold outside and you can't fire up your grill to make delicious burger or barbecue with your friends, it's time for you to try this amazing Southwestern American burger that is bursting with flavor and heat. Start with half pound or 225 grams of Angus beef that has 25% of fat from the brisket. For a perfect shaped burger, use a press to make a patty. In an ideal world, I would leave the patty in the fridge for some time until it firms up, but that's not necessary, especially when I'm hungry, so I'm gonna skip that part and get down to the real action. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on the burger and on the tray. Add freshly ground black pepper and coarse salt on the tray and on the burger. Then pat the burger with your fingers to make the seasoning stick. Flip the burger and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on the other side. Season with some coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper and pat again with your fingers to stick the seasoning. Finally, mop the oil and seasoning on the tray with the bun and you're ready to start grilling. First off, on medium heat, toast the base and top of the bun for a couple of minutes until they get some beautiful golden grill marks, become crispy and warm. Raise the heat to make the grill pan super hot and give your burger a quick sear. This quick sear is what's gonna give your burger an amazing flavor and will prevent the beef from sticking so you can flip the burger easy. After 2 minutes on the first side, flip the burger and use a rosemary sprig to brush the burger with softened butter. The fragrance from the rosemary sprig will infuse the beef and the butter will caramelize and both will make this burger taste incredible. Mop the tray again with some sliced onion rings and put them on the hot grill pan to be lightly caramelized. As the burger cooks, add some chipotle sauce on the base of the bun. This delicious chipotle sauce is made of a smoked dry jalapeno chili peppers and it's primarily used in Mexican and southwestern US dishes. And this ingredient is what's gonna give this burger its distinctive southwestern American flavor that you're craving. Snip a bun-sized piece of lettuce and place it on the base. Add a beautiful slice of beefsteak tomato and top with some chipotle sauce. Season again with a touch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. At this stage, after the second flip, place a slice of cheddar cheese on the burger to get it soft for a few seconds and turn the onion to get full caramelization from all sides. Add more chipotle sauce on top of the bun and just before the cheese starts melting, lift the burger, place it on the tomato slice, top it with the caramelized onion rings and seal all this heat and grilling flavor with top of the bun. Unfortunately, you can't start digging in before combining this burger with some delicious french fries, which you should always prepare before making this burger. To make perfect french fries that will make this burger more exciting, square a couple of russet potatoes, cut them into 1 cm thick planks and then cut them into fries. Soak the fries in cold water that has been seasoned with some salt for about 30 minutes. Drain the fries and dry with some kitchen towels and deep fry in a 275-degree preheated vegetable oil for 2 to 3 minutes until the fries become soft and gummy. Drain the fries from the oil, dry with a kitchen towel and place them in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Fry again from cold for about 5 minutes until golden brown. As the fries are still hot, season with some salt and smoked paprika. Flip quickly to coat the fries with seasoning from all sides and in a few seconds you will be ready to enjoy a truly delicious, super crispy and smoky fries. And now to my favorite part of the show, and before I start digging in, let me show you guys what this amazing burger looks like from inside. Look at these perfect layers. Each one of them will add a different flavor to this burger, so when you eat it, you just realize that this burger is not just a sandwich, it's an experience. Now let me take a huge bite of that thing. It's so delicious. Very juicy, seared beautifully from outside and perfectly cooked from inside. And the flavor from the smoked dry jalapeno chili peppers that are in the sauce literally make this the most delicious Southwestern American burger I've ever tried. Please try this delicious recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments below or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit!